Ukrainians gather outside the Mykolaïvsky Cathedral in Kiev to light candles in the shape of Crimea. Crimea's capital is usually the center of the Tartars' annual commemoration of the mass deportations from the region by Stalin in 1944. Since its annexation by Russia 70 years later, a ban's been imposed on all public gatherings in the Crimean capital. Crimea's Tatars widely ignored a referendum that led to the annexation. Their leaders are appealing for international action.
Каждый день оккупации – это оскорбление личного человеческого достоинства каждого украинца.
Every day of occupation is an insult to every Ukrainian, this man says. This is a call to all world opinion in the 21st century for a country to use force to seize another country, and we hope the world community and all Ukrainian people will unite and put an end to this disorder.
Консолидировавшись, положит конец этому беспределу.
Ukrainians in the city of Lviv also turned out to mark the Tatar deportation anniversary. Official figures say 193,000 were deported by Soviet secret police who accused them of Nazi collaboration during German occupation of the peninsula in World War II. Crimea's Tartars say the figure is near to 250,000, including soldiers who fought with the Red Army.